What is up, guys? In that video, in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys on my Stream Deck right there. You see how my games are Hello Neighbor? All my games have a little picture that represents the game. So like FNAF World has a picture, Counter-Strike has a picture. Everything has a little animation for them. So I'm gonna show you how to put pictures for your games in today's video. So what you wanna do is you wanna go to your Stream Deck. Give me 1 second. So you want to go to your newest folder. You want to go to a new folder. Give me a second, guys. No, I don't want to play Hello Neighbor. Give me 1 second, guys. I accidentally went into Hello Neighbor. Oh, and I accidentally also went into Counter-Strike. You want to go to a new folder. There's my animations folder. You see it? I have it right there. By the way, that's the keyboard I'm using. The G213. And that's the mouse I'm using, G502. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to make a folder that's empty. Good. For example, here. And now you want to look for folders. Here it is. Create folder. Put it right there. Now it should pop up right there. Now, for example, I put source. Let me just drag that right there. You see that, guys? Okay, if I want to change the icon, I want to press on it, then go right here, right click, and go to create new icon. It will take you to this place. For example, you want to put a random icon. For example, let's put the Stream Deck icon. So you want to go right here, where it says save key, and you want to press it, and it should be downloading right there, down there. So you want to press that little line up there. You don't want to exit out of it, but you want to just leave it for a little bit. Now you want to go back. You want to right click again, and you want to go to right here where it says save from file. You have to go to your downloads, and you need to find where it says the first one you find. You're not gonna be able to see it, because it's too bright. But you have to go to your downloads and go to your first one. It has to say Stream Deck key, and then it has to say the number. It has to be the first one. So, for example, press open. There you go, guys. It's on there. Now I'll show you, for example, if I okay, for example, I go on my Stream Deck and I want to pick one. For example, let's do camera. So that's not the only way. You don't have to just you can go through the internet and pick photos as a camera, and then I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. Or you can just make a new create an icon like I just showed you. Let me show you the other way. So you want to go on Google Chrome or anything. I'm gonna go Google Chrome. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, now it's typing. So you want to search up camera. Let's do camera. Camera. You find the image that you like. For example, let's say I like this one. Oh no, let's do this one. Let's do this one. You want to right click. You're not going to be able to see it, but you have to go to save image as. Okay? But you already know what to click because I showed you. Then it's going to pop up right here. You can't see it because it's too bright. It's going to take you to your folders and everything. You just want to press save. Don't worry about none of that. I don't know if you guys can see it. Now it's saving. Now you want to go back to your Stream Deck. This is my animation. I have the Stream Deck. Now you want to go to the folder I made. Oh no, I want to go to the camera. I click on camera. Now I right click down here and go to open the file, I don't know what. You want to go to the first one. I already told you guys, the first one. The newest one you guys find. And you want to press it and then press open. Voila. It should pop up. Like, subscribe, make that red button gray. And hit the bell so when I post a video, you never miss, and YouTube is gonna notify you, and it's gonna tell you that I posted a video and you're gonna be able to watch and everything. Okay. And share this video, please. Tell your friends so they know if they get a Stream Deck, they know what to do for different icons and everything. Okay. Bye guys. Peace.